Is your ice cream good? You cold? We can go. No? You want to go? Should we go and get cleaned up? You all done? You are? Did I take it? You ready to go bye-bye? I don't think you know what okay means. Okay doesn't mean no. It means yes. You look so cold, baby. You're so adorable. You done? You want to go home and drink some hot cocoa instead? No? Okay. Is it good? Can you say ice cream? Can you say ice cream? Are you okay, Maddie? I wish I had a coat. I didn't know the ice cream would make you so cold. It's not cold out. Don't miss it. Don't miss a drop. Yummy. Yeah? Say bye. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Thank you. Fries? Where'd what go? What? Babe, you're looking like the people on Titanic. Say bye. Thank you. Maddie, you say bye?
Bye.
Can you say thank you? Good girl.